Welcome back everyone. This video is all about to increase the speed of your Windows operating system. If that is Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you can use these tips to boost your PC, the performance of your PC, increase the speed of that to work fast. So let's get started. So first of all, let's move to the setting. Okay, here we will find out the setting. Okay, press the setting. So after opening the setting, first of all we will move to uninstall those unwanted apps that we have installed. Come here to the left sidebar and click here apps. In the apps, click here uninstall apps. After clicking here, you will see the list of apps. Maybe here are some apps that you don't need or apps that you don't know. Okay, so just uninstall all those apps. For example, Blender, I don't want to use this Blender, so I will uninstall it. So just click these three dots and uninstall it. Okay, which apps you don't need, just uninstall all those apps, or the apps you don't know about those apps. So I'll uninstall all those apps. This was the first step. Now let's move to the second tips, that is to it means to let's move. Okay, come here to the personalization. After coming to the personalization, here come here to the colors. In the color, this second tip is to turn off the transparency effects. Okay, so just make sure to turn off this. Okay, this is turned off right now, so just turn off this effect. Okay, transparency effect, so it will just boost the performance of your operating system. Now let's move to the third step, which is that we will move to delete the temporary files in our system. So let's move here to the storage. Just find here privacy and security. So come here to the system. In the system, come here to the storage. After coming to the storage, let's move to the temporary files. Okay, let's come here to the temporary files. After coming to the temporary files, so here you will see, okay, a list of options that you have. For example, if you want to delete the downloads, the files or the whatever is in the download, so it will delete all the downloads. If you want that, just select it. Thumbnail, so it will delete the thumbnail. Recycle bin, delivery optimization file, Microsoft Defender antivirus files, temporary internet files, okay, DirectX share, okay, temporary files. So it will delete all these things. Just come here and remove files, so it will remove all these things, all these files. Let's move to another tip, that is to disable the notification. Come here in the setting, come here to the left sidebar to the privacy and security. After coming here, press the general. After pressing the general, make sure just to turn off all these things. Okay, I have turned off all of them. After turning off them, just come here back to the privacy and come here to the speech, linking and typing, personalization, all these. Okay, just come here to all of them and turn off them. That is turn off. And also check bar linking and personalization, turn off it also, and also search bar others, these, and turn off them. So it will just boost the performance of your PC. Let's move to another tip. Just close it, and in this search field, just search here sys dm.cpl. search it. After searching it, open it. After opening it, let's move to the advanced. After coming to the advanced, let's move to the performance setting. After coming to the setting, what we will do, just click here adjust for best performance or custom. Yeah, select custom, and after selecting the custom, it means that uncheck all these things. Okay, let's click it. So after clicking adjust for best performance, now come here something, we will just check a few of them, like animation controls, and just come here to the smooth scroll list, smooth edge for screen fonts, and also the thumbnail, show thumbnails instead of icons. We will just check these three things. Okay, after doing this, press apply and OK it, and press OK. So let's move to another tip, which is for power setting. So let's search again powercfg.cpl. press enter and open it. After opening it, if you don't see the ultimate plan here, let's move now to create a plan. Okay, create a power plan. Press this in the left sidebar. After pressing that, we have three options here: balanced, power saver, high performance, but we don't see the ultimate plan. So to enable the ultimate plan, for that we will run a command in the CMD. Let's move to the CMD, run as administrator. Yes, after running as administrator, you have the command in the description. Just copy that and paste it here. So let's paste it. After pasting it, you will have this command in the description and press enter. So what it will do, it will just now turn on the ultimate performance. Let's move back to our power plan. Let's search powercfg.cpl. Press enter, create a power plan, and we don't have again the ultimate plan. Should we add it? Yeah, we have that here. Yeah, that is enabled here right now. Okay, we have that here. So now let's check it. Okay, ultimate performance. So after turning on it, so just close it. So it means that we will select the ultimate performance. Let's close it also. Another tip is that to run Debloat for Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so to run it, for that we need again CMD. Let's move to CMD, run as administrator. Yes, press yes. So here we will run again a command. So the command you have in the description, just copy that and paste the command. After pasting the command, so let's press enter. So it will open another window for you. If that was installed, so it will open it automatically. If that was not installed, it will install it. Just wait for a few minutes for it. Okay, you should be interconnected with the internet, so it will install it. Let's press enter. After pressing the enter, let's wait for it. So I have already installed it. Okay, so after opening this, now here we will just apply a few seconds. This is a very good tool to use it. Let's move now to tweak. After moving to the tweak, what you want to apply, okay, is initial tweak that you should apply. For example, we would like to disable activity history, like delete temporary files, run disk cleanup. It will run them automatically. Okay, and disable storage scene, that is okay. Yeah, these are disabled radio, set services to manual, disable vibration, like these things. Okay, how which you disable temporary run, shut up, enable and task with right click. So these are some things that you can apply. Okay, like disable location tracking and advanced tweaks. Come here to the advanced tweak, what you want to apply. Remove OneDrive, remove Microsoft Edge. If you don't need Microsoft Edge, remove it. All MS Store apps, and disable notification, tray calendar. Yeah, like this, I don't need this. So after checking them, so you can apply other settings also. So after applying that, let's run tweak. Press it. Yeah, invoke install process is currently running. Yeah, that is running. So now let's close it. Let's close it also. So if you paste with the black screen, so for that what you should do, Control Shift Escape button to open Task Manager, then run a new task and write here Explorer and OK it. So it will open, it will run just Windows Explorer. So it was all about a few steps. Okay, after completing these steps, just restart your PC. If it didn't affect your PC, so just after restarting it 2 or 3 times in 2 or 3 days, so it will affect your PC and it will boost and it will just increase the performance of your PC. I am sure it will do it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.